So welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're going to talk about $698 of monthly passive income in 28 days from this stock. So before we jump in, previously I realized I did the math incorrectly in the last video. So for my previous 3 put positions here, the return is actually 3.74% over 28 days. Even though this is using margin, the correct return calculated over this capital used should be 3.74%. So the prorated return is around 44.8%. So of course, because I'm using margin, these numbers are actually times 2. So if I do this with margin, it will actually be around 7.7%, so which will be a lot higher. So nevertheless, we'll continue on. And the reason why I'm placing this order is because I realize this strategy is working. It's doing pretty well, and I want to increase the portfolio size because my goal for this portfolio is really to cover my family's expenses, giving it to my wife on a monthly basis, and also covering my parents' expenses. So I'm ramping it up to now 30-something thousand, and then this is the latest trade I'm making. So is Coupa. It is an expense software. We did the technical and the fundamental analysis in Investing Accelerator, and I decided on a December 10th, 2021 put, strike 220. So this is the premium earned, and I plan to take profits at 90%, and the capital used is 22,000. So you can see for this one, it is actually a more expensive stock because it is $220, but the return is 3.17% for 31 days. And I put this as medium risk, just really because of the nature of the company. And if you prorate this, then it will be 37%, which is still above my 30% mark, which is fantastic. Now, because I'm using margin, the return, if I use this on my whole portfolio, will actually be closer to 6.3% or so, which will mean that this is a lot higher, like 70% annualized using margin. So that's actually how you calculate it. And yeah, that's it for this video. We'll see how it goes, and I'll see you in the next one.